Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn all about seeing a doctor. First, let's listen to some conversations. 丽丽，你已经发烧了2天了，今天我们去看医生吧。
好。
你怎么了？
我感冒、发烧、咳嗽。
什么时候开始的？
前天。
让我量一下你的体温，38度。你的肺没有问题，我给你开药，一天吃3次，一次吃2片。
好的，谢谢医生。
丽丽，你已经发烧了2天了，今天我们去看医生吧。
好。
你怎么了？
我感冒、发烧、咳嗽。
什么时候开始的？
前天。
让我量一下你的体温，38度。你的肺没有问题，我给你开药，一天吃3次，一次吃2片。
好的，谢谢医生。
Vocabulary 已经 already. For example, 我已经刷牙了 I have already brushed my teeth. 我已经洗澡了 I have already taken a bath. Using double le to indicate the duration of an action while the action is still ongoing. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus verb plus le one plus duration plus le for. We have learned this le one before. It's a past action indicator. And today we are going to learn a new usage of le. Let's call it le for. This le indicates an action is still ongoing. For example, 我发烧了2天了 The first le tells us that the fever started 2 days ago. The second le says that the fever is still ongoing. I have been having a fever for 2 days. More examples. 我学了3年了 I have been studying for 3 years. 你吃了2个小时了 You have been eating for 2 hours. Now let's compare these two situations. First one. 我发烧了2天 I had a fever for 2 days. In this situation, we don't know whether this happened in the past or it's happening. 我发烧了2天了 I've been having a fever for 2 days and I'm still having it. 我学了3年 I have studied for 3 years. Maybe I've stopped studying. 我学了3年了 I've been studying for 3 years and I'm still studying. 你吃了2个小时 You ate for 2 hours. 你吃了2个小时了 You have been eating for 2 hours and you are still eating. Using 怎么了 to ask what's wrong or what's the matter. For example, 医生，你怎么了 Doctor, what's wrong? 病人，我感冒了 Patient, I have a cold. 妈妈，你怎么了 Mom, what's the matter? 女儿，我心情不好 Daughter, I'm in a bad mood. 咳嗽 cough or to cough. 我已经咳嗽了5天了 I've been coughing for 5 days. 今天我们班有很多同学咳嗽 Today, many students in our class were coughing. 前天 the day before yesterday. 我前天开始发烧了 I started having a fever since the day before yesterday. 前天我没有去学校I didn't go to school the day before yesterday. 肺 lung or lungs. 你的肺没有问题 There are no problems with your lungs. 肺炎是一种常见病 Literally, lung inflammation is a type of common disease. Pneumonia is a type of common disease. 开药 to prescribe medication. 我给你开药 Literally, I to you prescribe medication. I will prescribe medication for you. 医生开了2种药 The doctor prescribed 2 types of medicine. 次 times or occurrence. For example, 一天一次 Literally, one day, one time, once a day. 她一天吃3次药 Literally, she one day eat 3 times medicine. She takes medication 3 times a day. 片 tablets as in medicine. For example, 2片药 2 tablets. 你一次吃1片药 You take 1 tablet at a time. Now it's time for a culture tip. If you're going to see a doctor in China, the doctor will not say, How can I help you? 我怎么样可以帮到你? Instead, they will ask you, 你怎么了? What's wrong? Or 你哪里不舒服? Which part of you don't feel well? They're very direct. They will ask your health concern right after they see you. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.